Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Starblends powder to do a Spider-Man design. First, I'm going to load my Smoothie blender with white Starblends to do the eyes. Then red, covering the bridge of the nose, the forehead, all the way out to the outer corners of the eyes. Using black on a round brush, I'm going to go around the eyes first. The base lines for the web. Then paint the connecting U-shapes for the webbing. Round out the top corners of the eyes. And extend the webbing at the bottom of the mask on each side. And this Spider-Man is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.